Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most important ETF questions investors always ask: VOO versus QQQ. Which one should you actually invest in? If you're building a long-term portfolio, preparing for retirement, or looking for growth, you've probably considered these two giants. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how they compare in performance, risk, volatility, holdings, income, sector concentration, long-term returns, and which one may be right for your investing strategy. Hello viewers, if you're enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this, and remember to comment and share. Understanding the ETFs. What is VOO? S&P 500 tracker. VOO is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, designed to track the S&P 500 index, which is made up of 500 of the largest U.S. companies. Key characteristics: broad, diversified coverage includes value plus growth plus blend representing roughly 80% of total U.S. market cap. Lower volatility compared to QQQ. Strong long-term historical performance. What is QQQ? Nasdaq-100 tracker. QQQ is the Invesco QQQ trust, which tracks the Nasdaq-100 index, a tech-heavy index with 100 of the largest non-financial companies on the Nasdaq. Top sectors: technology, healthcare, financials, consumer discretionary. Long-term performance breakdown. Now let's get into what most investors want to know: which one actually made more money over the long run? 1. In the realm of investment, the VOO index showcases strong, stable growth, consistently providing an impressive average return of around 10% annually over the past decades. On the other hand, the QQQ index demonstrates faster long-term growth. While VOO offers reliable, steady gains ideal for risk-averse investors, QQQ presents an enticing opportunity for those willing to navigate fluctuations for potentially higher rewards. Understanding these dynamics aids in making informed investment choices for the future. 2. In the rapidly evolving landscape of technology, growth stocks consistently lead the charge, driving impressive returns for investors. QQQ often outperforms. The remarkable performance of QQQ can be attributed to the concentration of heavyweight companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Amazon, which are at the forefront of tech innovation cycles and significantly influence market trends. 3. VOO offers broader exposure to many sectors, making it a more balanced choice for diverse investments. It is also less prone to dramatic drawdowns. VOO remains a safer option for investors seeking stability, as it not only ensures broader exposure and balanced sector distribution, but also mitigates the risks associated with significant downturns, making it a sensible choice for long-term growth. Volatility and risk. 1. QQQ exhibits higher volatility, particularly during market downturns and recessions. This results in larger drawdowns compared to less volatile assets. Investors should be aware that QQQ also presents a higher standard deviation, indicating greater price fluctuations. Coupled with its momentum-driven nature, these characteristics make QQQ a compelling, yet riskier, choice for potential gains in the tech sector. Understanding these factors is vital for strategic investment decisions. 2. VOO offers a lower risk profile, making it more appealing to conservative investors. With its stability, VOO presents a reliable investment option for those looking to protect their capital while still achieving growth. Its reduced dependence on technology not only lessens volatility, but also suits a demographic focused on retirement, ensuring peace of mind for future financial plans. Sector Analysis. 1. In this investment breakdown, we see technology leading at approximately 30%. Health follows at about 13%. Consumer discretionary makes up around 10%, while financials contribute 12%. This structured distribution highlights a balanced diversification strategy, ensuring stability and growth potential across key sectors. By engaging in such a diversified approach, investors can mitigate risks and capitalize on varying market trends effectively. 2. The QQQ sector spread reveals a significant concentration, with tech dominating at over 50%. Communication follows at around 15%. Consumer discretionary holds a notable share at approximately 13%, while financials are entirely absent from this distribution, reflecting a clear trend of investment focus away from that sector. This concentrated allocation in tech underscores the sector's importance in today's market landscape. Dividend Comparison. VOO dividend yield, approximately 1.4%. QQQ dividend yield, approximately 0.6%. VOO, better for income, more dividend consistency. QQQ, mainly growth-oriented dividends are not the priority. Expense ratios. VOO expense ratio, 0.03%. QQQ expense ratio, 0.20%. VOO is significantly cheaper long-term. Which ETF is better for you? If you want stability, right pointing arrow, choose VOO. Long-term diversified, better for passive investors, better for retirement accounts. If you want faster growth, right pointing arrow, choose QQQ. Higher return potential, better for risk-tolerant investors, best for long-term aggressive growth strategies. Both VOO and QQQ are excellent, but they're designed for different investor types. VOO equals stability plus broad growth. QQQ equals tech growth plus higher risk. Many investors even hold both for balance. 70% VOO plus 30% QQQ, 60% VOO plus 40% QQQ, growth leaning, 50% VOO plus 50% QQQ, balanced aggression. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive of VOO versus QQQ, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which ETF you prefer. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. Always conduct your own research or consult a licensed financial professional before making investment decisions.